Architects don't just take your word for it. They want proof. And the best way to prove your expertise? Video. I'm Shawn Donovan, and today I'm breaking down how video can help you get the attention of architects and build stronger relationships with key decision makers. Think about it. Would you rather read a 2-page spec sheet or watch a 60-second video showing a product in action? Architects, engineers, contractors, they're all visual learners. They need to see real-world applications. They want to see or have confidence in your expertise or knowledge related to your product. They want to hear testimonials from other professionals who've used your product, and they need to understand how your solution fits into their projects before they commit. That's why companies using installation videos, project walkthroughs, product demonstrations, expert interviews, these are all getting attention, and they're winning more specifications and creating stronger brand recognition. Video doesn't just inform, it reassures. And in an industry where architects are naturally risk-averse, that reassurance is everything. A well-made video will help make them feel confident in choosing your product or your services. It answers their questions before they ask them, and it creates trust before the first conversation even happens. If you want to increase specifications and drive more awareness for your company and your products, it's time to start showing, not just telling. Want to create video content that gets results? Well, let's talk. Drop a comment, schedule a meeting with me, or visit our website at donovan-digital.com to learn more. I hope to hear from you.